Linear regression on iris dataset. Performing linear regression on the iris dataset is a bit unconventional since the dataset is mostly used for classification. However, you can still apply linear regression for predicting a continuous variable such as petal length based on other features like sepal length, sepal width, etc. *import numpy as NP. This line imports the NumPy library, which is fundamental for numerical computations in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and various mathematical functions. We give it an alias NP for easier use. *import pandas as PD. This line imports the pandas library, which is essential for data manipulation and analysis. It introduces the data frame and series data structures, which are highly useful for working with structured data. We give it an alias PD. Import matplotlib. pyplot as PLT. This line imports the pyplot module from the matplotlib library. Matplotlib is a widely used library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualizations in Python. Pyplot provides a collection of functions that make it behave like MATLAB's plotting framework. We give it an alias PLT. *import cburn as SNS. This line imports the cburn library, which is built on top of matplotlib and provides a higher-level interface for creating informative and aesthetically pleasing statistical graphics. We give it an alias SNS. From sklearn import datasets. This line imports the datasets module from the scikit-learn, sklearn, library. Scikit-learn is a powerful machine learning library in Python. The datasets module contains various standard datasets, including the iris dataset. Note: the comment at the beginning mentions linear regression, and while the iris dataset can be used for classification, this specific import of sklearn datasets suggests the tutorial might initially explore the dataset itself or potentially use parts of it for a regression task later, though the standard iris dataset is primarily used for classification. This section configures the appearance of plots created using cburn and matplotlib, and also sets a display option for pandas data frames. *SNS.set_palette, dark grid. This sets the default color palette for cburn plots to dark grid. Color palettes define the colors used for different elements in the plots. *PLT, RC, font, size equals 12. This uses matplotlib's RC params, runtime configuration parameters, to set the default font size for text in plots to 12. *PLT, RC, axes, title size equals 14, sets the font size for the titles of the axes to 14. *PLT, RC, axes, label size equals 12, sets the font size for the labels of the axes, x-axis and y-axis, to 12. *PLT, RC, xtick, label size equals 10, sets the font size for the labels of the x-axis ticks to 10. *PLT, RC, ytick, label size equals 10, sets the font size for the labels of the y-axis ticks to 10. *PLT, RC, legend, font size equals 10, sets the font size for the text in the legend to 10. *SNS.set_style, white grid. This sets the overall style of cburn plots to white grid, which features a white background with grid lines. *warnings. Filter warnings, ignore. This line is used to suppress any warning messages that might be generated during the execution of the code. It's often used to keep the output clean, but it's generally good practice to understand the warnings instead of ignoring them. *PD. Options. Display. Float_format equals .2f format. This sets a pandas display option to format floating point numbers to always show 2 decimal places when a data frame or series is printed. #load data equals PD. Read_CSV, iris.csv, #data, head. *data equals PD. Read_CSV, iris.csv. This line uses the read_CSV function from the pandas library to load data from a CSV file named iris.csv into a pandas data frame called data. It assumes that the iris.csv file is in the same directory as the Python script or that the full path to the file is provided. *data, head. This line is commented out. If it were executed, data, head, would display the first 5 rows of the data frame, along with the column names. This is a common way to quickly inspect the loaded data and verify that it has been read correctly. The image shows the output of the data. Head, method, even though it's commented out in the provided code snippet. It displays the first 5 rows of the iris dataset loaded into the pandas data frame. The columns are *ID, a unique identifier for each data point. *sepal length cm, the length of the sepal in centimeters. *sepal width cm, the width of the sepal in centimeters. *petal length cm, the length of the petal in centimeters. *petal width cm, the width of the petal in centimeters. *species, the species of the iris flower, e.g., Iris setosa, Iris versicolor, Iris virginica. The subsequent parts of the image show the output of data.info and data. Describe *data.info. This provides a concise summary of the data frame, including the number of rows, 150 entries. The number of columns, 6 columns. The name of each column. The number of non-null values in each column, all 150 in this case, indicating no missing data.